Is your website experiencing a black hat SEO attack? This tutorial will show you exactly what to do, and what not to do. Watch this video to learn how to manage your online reputation using reputation management SEO strategies. From bad reviews, to impersonation, to backlink spam, and even malware, haters will stop at nothing to try and bring your website and your reputation down. So what can you do to stop a black hat SEO attack on your website? Getting hit with a black hat SEO attack can cause many website owners to panic and wonder what will happen next with their online business. In most cases, Google is smart enough to sense these black hat SEO attacks and thwarts them automatically. Many times jealous competitors will try building spammy backlinks to your website in hopes you will lose rankings. Other times, they will outright copy you, and pretend to be your brand. Sometimes the pesky boogers will even try to sell your products, or inferior reproductions, while pretending to be your business. In the worst cases, some black hat SEO attackers will even use viruses and malware to hack their competitors. In many cases, the best strategy for dealing with a black hat SEO attack is to do nothing. Usually, someone is attacking your website because they are jealous and do not feel they can compete with you in an ethical fashion by building their own business. Which is why they spend time trying to tear yours down. Almost always, these types of attackers quickly get frustrated and move on to something else long before your website or brand experiences any major disruptions. Occasionally, however, these pesky black hat attackers can be a real nuisance and need to be called out for the scam artists they are. So how can we tell the difference between another SEO that is competing ethically, and one who is breaking the rules, and potentially the law, by scamming or hacking? That is exactly what the video above seeks to uncover. Watch this video on surviving black hat SEO attacks, and leave a comment telling us what you would do.